The Great Tri-State Tornado of Wednesday, March 18, 1925 was the deadliest tornado in U.S. history. In this disaster tornado, 1,000 people died, 3,000 got injured. The tornado lasted 3.5 hours long. 9 known tornadoes in the historic area. The tornado was part of a large tornado outbreak with several other destructive tornadoes the same day in Tennessee, Kentucky, and Indiana, as well as significant tornadoes in Alabama and Kansas, including additional 4 tornadoes that day. This is the deadliest tornado outbreak.
It caused $17 million in property damage and devastated 164 square miles, had a diameter of more than 1 mile. It crossed 3 states, destroyed 4 towns, and wrecked more than half of 4 other towns. The storm completely destroyed a number of towns.
There were more than 2,000 injured survivors, as well as 1,000 who were left homeless and without food. Fire, looting, and theft in the tornado's aftermath exacerbated its effects.